Hi, this is Jenny Gonzalez with Keller Williams Corona. Today we're going to talk about tips on commission for the homeowner or seller. One of the biggest questions I get is your commission negotiable? Yes, real estate agents have the ability to fully negotiate their commissions. What are some questions to ask during your real estate agent pre-screening? So the question is asked, how much will your agent charge you to sell your home? What is the buyer agent commission fee? What if your agent represents the buyer? Is your agent willing to give you a discount on the total commission for selling your home? 1% agents are something to be cautious about. Why? The reason is they don't disclose the buyer agent commission. So the contract will say 1% plus buyer agent commission. They also put other fees in there that aren't labeled commission. They are labeled transaction fees, etc. For example, let's say you received an offer, but the buyer agent wants 7% commission. The total commission you will be financially responsible for is 8%. The solution? Have your agent write in the contract agreement the total commission and details for the buyer and seller agent. So let's do an overview. Does the commission include the buyer agent fee? What is the total commission? What if your agent represents the buyer? Is your agent willing to give you a discount on the commission for your selling your home? Make sure the total commission is disclosed on the contract agreement. The total commission, that includes all fees. How much is paid to the buyer's agent and seller's agent? Also the discount if your agent double ends the deal. Total commission equals the percent your agent is charging you up front plus the percent you're charged in the back end. I am proud to be a member of Keller Williams Corona. My license number is 01249788 and Keller Williams Corona license is 01406566. Each office is independently owned and operated, but we all work as a team. As you see, we're all wearing red here, and we have Red Day, and that has all of us with hearts because we give back to the community and we love our community.
Like us on social media. I'm on Twitter at Jenny G Sells Homes. I'm on YouTube at Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate. And you can find me on Facebook on Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Jenny Gonzalez Realtor. You stay up to date with market updates, upcoming listings, and anything else that's going on in the community that you may be interested in. Call me today for more information regarding the real estate market. My name is Jenny Gonzalez. I'm with Keller Williams Corona, and my cell phone number is 951-316-0374, and my license number is 01249788. Thank you for watching the video. I am Jenny Gonzalez, Realtor, and I provide all real estate services. And to me, a home is not just a place to live. Home is where memories are made.